This pandemic isn't over. Today, we mark a tragic milestone here in the United States. 1 million COVID deaths. 1 million empty chairs around the family dinner table. Each irreplaceable losses. Each leaving behind a family, a community, forever changed because of this pandemic. Around the world, many more millions have died. Millions of children have been orphaned, and with thousands still dying every day. Now is the time for us to act, all of us together.
What's he here for?
Yeah, so